Hey, Nandana here,
And hey, Riyadh is here.
and we're here to talk about the Mars Climate Orbiter. Mars Climate Orbiter was designed to measure the climate of Mars and a relay station for the future mission of Polar Lander.
First, the Mars Polar Lander was launched in January 3, 1999, which was supposed to be held by the Mars Climate Orbiter. And the Polar Lander was supposed to take the soil and see if there was frozen water under the dust. But eventually, the Mars Polar Lander also failed as well because of the velocity when it came to land on the Mars. And its velocity was so high that it crashed and was lost.
Right, so the Mars Climate Orbiter was launched on December 11th, 1998.
The total of the both Mars Polar Lander and Mars Climate Orbiter was $300 million. Mars Climate Orbiter was $103 million.
Reaction wheel. Now, the reaction wheel is a device in the Climate Orbiter used to measure the changes in its trajectory and also make counter adjustments so that its intended trajectory will be followed. Now, the Mars Climate Orbiter measured the changes in trajectory twice, once in the Climate Orbiter itself and another in Earth, in Mission Control in NASA.
The orbiter used metric system, while the mission control used imperial measurements supplied by Lockheed Martin. The mistake was that for each 1 pound per second, it is equal to 4.4 Newton per second.
Now, the difference in those units may seem small, but when you're dealing with vast distances in outer space, the error adds up. Now, because of that small error, Mars Climate Orbiter's original trajectory was supposed to be 226 kilometers above Mars' surface. But because of this error, the trajectory ended up being 160 kilometers above Mars' surface.
The Mars Climate Orbiter basically came too close to the atmosphere, so it got burned. The scientists say that it was vanished and it's a goner. The search team of NASA, they stopped searching for it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching,
Subscribe to his channel.
and don't forget to hit that like button.